Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about literal. Actually, we have image literal, we have color literal, and we have file literal, which is a feature from Xcode that let us to pick up image, color, and file directly. Just from inside the code, and especially for color, it's really help us to speed up our coding. Okay, so let's go to Xcode and do some investigate. So yeah, for file, literal is you just type $ file literal, and then yeah, just $file literal and parentheses open, and then it's gonna be source file, but it's just replace it for you with this. So then you double click here, you have a browser that you can choose which file you want, and or you can click on other to get more option. For example, I choose this one, but after this it's gonna go to be image literal because I choose one image. For image, it's same as the other one, but you don't have to type image literal. You just, when you type image, you will have image literal as an option. So when you choose that, and again double click, you can choose one picture from picture available inside your project. And for color, you just for example, for color C equal, so you just type color, and then you get offer for color literal. So when you double click, very quickly here you can choose your color you like, you're looking for, or even if you know the hex, you can go to others, and you have all of these interfaces to pick up the best color you are looking for. Yeah, for example, I choose this one and then close it. So yeah, how as it is, you will see that these three new literal which were coming about Xcode 7 and after. Yeah, that's all for today. I wish the best for you and have a good one. And don't forget to thumbs up and like the video, and subscribe, and any question in comment, and bye.